Cashing out. How much can you really transfer from Cash App? Ever been at the store, ready to check out, only to realize you left your debit card at home? Or maybe you need to send some quick cash to a friend, but a traditional bank transfer feels too slow. That's where Cash App comes in. It's a super convenient way to send, receive, and even invest your money. But when it comes to transferring money out of Cash App and into your bank account, there are some things you need to know. Especially when it comes to that all-important question, how much can I actually transfer? Hold on, before we dive in. Let's take a quick step back. Cash App isn't a bank itself, but more like a digital wallet. Think of it like a superpowered version of your physical wallet, only it lives on your phone. This means you can't directly deposit checks or get a traditional debit card, although Cash App does offer a cash card that works similarly. However, transferring money from Cash App to your bank account is a breeze, and that's exactly what we're going to be focusing on today. So, how much cash can I blast out of my Cash App? All right, enough with the suspense. Cash App actually doesn't have a single, hard limit on how much you can transfer. That's the good news. The not-so-good news is that there are a few factors that can affect how much you can move in a single transaction and how often you can do it. Factor numero uno, verification. My friend, verification. Cash App takes security seriously, and that's a good thing. There are actually two levels of verification on Cash App, basic and full verification. With basic verification, you can send up to $250 within a 7-day period and receive up to $1,000 within a 30-day period. That might be enough for casual users, but if you're looking to move some serious cash, you'll need to step it up to full verification. Taking it to the max, full verification benefits. To unlock the full potential of Cash App, you'll need to provide some additional information, including your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Don't worry, Cash App uses secure encryption to protect your info. Once you're fully verified, the sending limit jumps to a much more generous $2,500 per week and a whopping $10,000 per month on receiving. That's a significant difference. Transfer speed, patience, or pay up. Cash App offers 2 transfer speeds, standard and instant. Standard transfers are free and typically take 1 to 3 business days to hit your bank account. Perfect for planned transfers or situations where you're not in a rush. However, if you need the money in your bank account yesterday, Cash App offers instant transfers. There's a catch, though. Instant transfers come with a fee. The minimum fee is 25 cents, but it can also be a percentage, between 1.5% and 1.75% of the transfer amount. So, for larger transfers, the fee can add up quickly. Pro tip, sending to yourself? There's a workaround. Cash App doesn't allow instant transfers directly to your linked bank account. But there's a little trick you can use to get around this. If you have a cash card, you can instantly transfer the money to your cash card and then use the cash card to make a debit card purchase or ATM withdrawal. There are still some fees involved, potentially a small ATM fee and the percentage-based instant transfer fee, but it can be a faster option than waiting for a standard transfer. Remember, limits can change. It's important to note that Cash App can adjust its sending and receiving limits at any time. They recommend checking the app itself for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.